there's somebody who can like look down my nose at anybody, but I stand up here and I tell you this. I remember what it feels like to be suicidal. I remember what it feels like to be an addict. I remember what it feels like to be hopeless and alone. I know what it feels like to feel disgusting and dirty and broken. And when I was in my worst and everybody had given up on me, Jesus Christ himself stepped into my life and saved me from my own shit. So listen, I'm not looking for people who got it all together. I came in to tell you, if you're sick of your brokenness, and you're sick of your hopelessness, and you're sick of your own failure, there is still hope for you. There is still life for you. There is still freedom.